quiet down for a little bit when we turn it back up, because what happens is sometimes they don't let you record this stuff, copyrighted stuff. Just wait till Dave start back talking. Not quite right, not yet. Y'all do know this is about a race. It's not about a girl. It's about a race going on in Panama. Okay? Alright, y'all have a great day. Listen to Van Halen every chance you get. And just like and subscribe. My views starting to get lower and lower and lower. I might have to do something crazy. Climb a tree and jump off on a mattress or something. Gotta get them views up. Gotta make this happen. Gonna make it happen. Alright, y'all have a good day. Keep having fun. Y'all know I am.